In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Google Ads accounts efficiently. If you're responsible for handling numerous Google Ads accounts, you understand how quickly things can become overwhelming. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be managing multiple accounts like a pro. First things first, you'll need to create a Google Ads Manager account using your Google email. A manager account is a must-have tool if you're dealing with several accounts because it allows you to view and manage all of them from a single dashboard. This setup saves you from juggling multiple logins and passwords, streamlining everything under one roof. Once you've set up your manager account, go ahead and sign in. At this stage, you'll be navigating to the main dashboard of the manager account. The design might look familiar if you've used Google Tools before, which helps keep the learning curve minimal. Now look towards the top corner of the interface. You'll find an icon that represents accounts. Give that a click. This takes you to a section where you can view all the accounts currently connected to your manager account. From here, the real organizing begins. Within the accounts section, you'll spot an option labeled Sub-Account Settings. Click on this to manage your connections further. It's in this section you'll have full control over how these sub-accounts interact with your manager account. Next, there's a plus button that you can't miss. Click on it to start the process of linking existing Google Ads accounts. This is where you integrate multiple accounts, turning what appears to be chaos into a structured workflow that you can easily control. You'll then see an option to link existing account. Select this to progress with linking your existing Google Ads accounts. It's at this point that you'll enter the customer ID of each Google Ads account you wish to connect. If you're handling multiple accounts and want to save time, here's a handy tip. You can input several IDs at once by entering them on separate lines. This feature is incredibly useful when you're trying to set up numerous accounts quickly. Once you've entered the necessary information, go ahead and click Send Request. This sends an invitation to the users of those Google Ads accounts. These users will receive an email invitation to link their accounts to your manager account. You'll need them to accept this invitation to complete the linking process. Communication is key here, so make sure they're aware that the email is on its way and that their action is required to finalize the setup. Finally, upon their acceptance of the invitation, you'll get a confirmation. This positive feedback shows that everything is in place, and you'll now see the account appear in the Accounts section of your manager account. From here, you're free to access a wealth of management features and analytical tools, all from a single sign-on, and that covers the process. With these steps, managing multiple Google Ads accounts should now be a breeze through your manager account. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more organized and streamlined advertising experience.